So first off, you want to hit the create button at the top left of your Mailchimp. Then under website, you'll see a landing page. Give that a click. Now we'll give it a name. We'll just call this one test. Choose the audience that you want. So company news sign up form, we'll just use the company news. That's the one we've been using. We'll click begin. And what you'll get here are templates. So you can pick one of these pre-made templates. You can edit it once you're in there. We'll just show you. They go everything from the more graphically intense to the more simplified ones, as you can see. So we're just going to click on the grow your list one, because that's what we're going to do. Grow our list. Give it a click. Now you'll see this is pre-populated with our logo that we added. On the right hand side, you'll see blocks that you can just drag and drop. So you wanted text underneath, you just drag it and drop. And now we've got text. So we'll just call it sign up now. We will just put that in the center. And underneath you want to give them a reason to sign up. Exciting news, everyone. That's sure to grab their attention. Well, we hope. Down here we'll just say, hi guys, sign up for our monthly top tips on emails. Free. People love the word free, so we'll chuck that there. So that's telling them what they're signing up for. Let's just send to that. And at the bottom here, what we can see is the marketing permissions and the email address they will need to fill out. And you would just hit subscribe if you were filling this out. So you can also add in things like your social buttons. So if we just drop the block there, and you can add in, as you can see, they appear here. You would type in your / your Facebook, Twitter, or website. You can remove these as required. If I click the X here, you see it disappear. Or you can add another one. You can add 10 services there. So it's pretty comprehensive, even though it's a basic builder. You can add a promo code. You can drag and drop that in if you want to do an offer. If you've got a video, like a teaser for your course or lessons, you just drag over video. And you can see the various other options here. If you're a dab hand at graphic design, you can also change the style here. You've got page, header, body, mobile styles, notification bar. All these options are available for you to edit the perfect landing page. But for us, we're just going to keep it simple. Again, color. We're just going to keep it simple. And we're going to click preview to see what it looks like. So this is what everyone will see on the landing page. Exciting news, everyone. Sign up for our monthly top tips on emails free. So they would then fill out their email address, tick off the marketing permissions, and click on subscribe. So this is the preview mode. You can see it desktop. You can see what it looks like on mobile as well. So that looks good to me. Just the basic one. Again, dab hands at graphic design may be able to produce something a lot prettier than this, but this does the job we want it to do. So we'll just hit save and close. Happy enough with that. And we've got the page title, which is test. That's absolutely fine. Audience and tags, company news, we don't need them tagged at the moment. And content, after the sign up form, visitors will see a confirmation message. You can turn on your tracking at the bottom should you want to track it through Mailchimp, Facebook Pixel, or Google Analytics. We've enabled a reCAPTCHA to make sure we're not getting bots signing up, and we've not enabled Google restricted data processing. So you can change all these as you wish. Once you click publish at the top right, it's a home run, as they say in America. The landing page is now live, which means if we click on this address or share it to anyone, when you click on it, you can then see the landing page. Clicking on the Facebook or the little bird logo will share it to our socials. So let's just test that out. We'll click the website, and there we are. This is a live website, so we can gather our contacts. We could have had that offering a promotion. We could have had a discount there, or just shown off new products.